How we doing, everybody? Got a new project in the shop here. Late 50s, early 60s, David Bradley Sears 758G chainsaw. It's a gear drive. Has a 20-inch bar with half-inch pitch chain. 95 cc's, power products, AH58 engine. Just picked it up from a buddy of mine yesterday. It does pop off on a prime, which I'm going to show you here in a second. I've already got a carb kit coming for it. I'll have that next weekend. And like I said, let's pop her off on some brake parts cleaner real quick. Not really the best thing to be doing with it. Not a lot of lubrication. But it's all I got at the moment, so here we go. So, carb rebuild, probably new fuel lines, new fuel filter. She's going to be a great runner. Bring you in a little bit closer. Just have a little bit closer look at her. All magnesium construction. Manual chain oil pump. Really nice condition. Bar is a little bit rusty. It should clean up with some WD-40 and steel wool or Scotch-Brite pad though. Manual oil pump does work. Put some oil in the oil tank and a couple pumps later it's pumping nice oil to the bar. The fuel tank is actually really nice inside. Not sure how well you'll be able to see. But yeah, you can see it's pretty clean inside. So, like I said, with probably dump out the fuel that's in the tank, replace the fuel filter and fuel line, replace the fuel line from the tank to the carb, rebuild the carb, should be running great. And thank you, Josh. Nice old saw I got from you, buddy.